Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diya Koroe Dasi Trinapeka Atihina Sakala Sahane Paladiya Khoro Nijamani Sprihahina Sakala Sahane Paladiya Khoro Nijamani Sprihahina Sakala Sahane Paladiya Khoro Nijamani Sprihahina Gurudev Sakale Samana Kodite Shakati Dehonatha Jata Jata Gurudev Sakale Samana Kodite Shakati Dehonatha Jata Jata Tabito Gaibo Hari Nama Suke Aparada Habihata Tabito Gaibo Hari Nama Suke Aparada Habihata Gurudev Kabeheno Kripa Lobiya Ejana Krita Tahai Benatha Gurudev Kabeheno Kripa Lobiya Ejana Krita Tahai Benatha Shakti Buddhihin Amiyati Din Khoro More Atmasada Shakti Buddhihin Amiyati Din Khoro More Atmasada Shakti Buddhihin Amiyati Din Khoro More Atmasada Gurudev Yogyatha Vichare Kichu Nahi Mai Tomara Karuna Sara Gurudev Yogyatha Vichare Kichu Nahi Pai Tomara Karuna Sara Karuna na hoile kandia kandia prana na rakibo ara. Karuna na hoile kandia kandia prana na rakibo ara. Gurudev kripa bindu diya Goroe dasi trina pekatihina. Gurudev kripa bindu diya Goroe dasi trina pekatihina. Gurudev. Gurudev, please give to this servant just one drop of mercy. I am lower than a blade of grass. Please give me all help. Give me strength. Let me be as you are, without desires or aspirations. I offer you all respects, for thus I have the energy to know you correctly. Then by chanting the holy name in great ecstasy, all my offenses will cease. When will such mercy fall to this one who is weak and devoid of all intelligence? Allow me to be with you. If you examine me, you will find no qualities. Your mercy is all that I am made of. If you are not merciful unto me, I can only weep, and I will not be able to maintain my life.